Hey guys, in this lesson we are going to focus on how to write a C program to input values for three angles and display whether a triangle can be formed or not using given triangle values. Now the thing is, to form a triangle, the summation of all three angles should be equals to 180 degrees. Okay, each and every triangle has you know angles, then the summary of those angles should be 180 degrees. Okay, now we are going to create our C program file. In your Visual Studio Code or C programming IDE, you can use anything. Now we are going to create angle.c file. Now I have already created that file. Then what we are going to do is just say this hash include starting angle bracket and ending angle bracket. Inside that we can include is to stdio.h. Then we can create the main function. Inside it we can return 0. Okay, now the first thing that we want to do is get the input from user for three angles. Firstly we can say printf please input first angle value. Then we can create a new line for the uh, you know user input. We will get as a new line. Then for that we can put for this backward slash and n, and then we can create a variable. Let's say the first angle will be x. It might be from left side, right side, or top, doesn't matter, it could be anything. Int x. Now we should end up with the semicolon for this printf statement. Now we can say scanf. We are getting a integer, then we can say d. Okay, and then comma. Now we have to say the memory location, which is x. Now the next thing, asking for the second angle value. We can copy this and paste that here and change this to second angle value. And we are going to create another variable called y. Let's say scanf again. This is y. We have to say and y. Okay, we are getting the last input now. Please input third angle value backslash n to create the new line, and then semicolon. Finally, let's define the int set here. We can move those variables to the top in the main method. Now we can scanf now d and d. This means the percentage symbol and then d here and z. Okay, now we have to go ahead and calculate the sum of these values. Let's say int sum. We can say x plus y plus z, and then we are going to use a if statement to check whether this sum value is 180. We can say inside parentheses sum equals to, that means we are checking whether this value is equals to the right value, which is 180. If it is equals, we can print f. Inside these double quotations we can see, we can create a triangle with given inputs. In the else statement we can go ahead and say we cannot create a triangle with given inputs. Okay, now we are going to run this. Open a terminal, and then the file name is angle.c. we have to say gcc, and then the file name with the extension angle.c, then -o, then the executable file we can say as angle. Now I'm going to press enter. To run this we can say dot forward slash. This dot forward slash means we are checking the current path. Okay, we always have to use this dot forward slash in the Visual Studio Code, this terminal. Then the executable file is angle, just angle. Okay, no extension for that. Now we have to input angle values. First one will be 60. Let's see, 60. Second angle value, let's say 70, and the final one 50. We can create a triangle with given inputs. Let's try wrong values. We can say 74, 54, 30, 23. We cannot create a triangle with given inputs. Okay, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.